Hello everyone, my name is Funke Osai Brown. I am the publisher of The Luxury Reporter. The Luxury Reporter is an online magazine that is focused on reporting exclusively on the emerging Nigerian luxury market. The Luxury Reporter has been in existence since May 2014. In the last 2 years, we've had over 5 million hits on our website, www.luxuryreporter.ng. In addition to that, we have an average of 500,000 monthly page views. Also, in the last 2 years, we have added our online e-magazine called TLR. TLR is an acronym for The Luxury Reporter. In TLR, the monthly magazine, we are focused on individuals who are consumers of luxury products and who are manufacturers of luxury products. In the maiden edition of our magazine, we had on our cover the Rolls-Royce brand, which is well known as an international luxury car brand. In addition to that, we have interviewed the likes of Ndidi Obiora, who is known as one of the #1 event managers or event planner in Nigeria. Also, on our online platform, we have different sections that focus on interviews, on men fashion, women fashion, jewelry, watches, wheels, where we talk about cars, we talk about SUVs, we talk about planes, we talk about bikes, luxury brands. In addition to that, we also have our apartment section that focuses on architecture, property, luxury property around Lagos and around Nigeria. Also on our platform, we have the interview section where we've interviewed so many celebrities, cutting across music, cutting across lifestyle, cutting across event management, cutting across every section that has to do with luxury. We have a strong social media presence. We are available on Facebook as The Luxury Reporter. We are available on Twitter as Luxury Report NG, on Instagram as The Luxury Reporter, then on Google Plus as The Luxury Reporter. We are The Luxury Reporter and the pioneer website that is reporting exclusively on global luxury trend and the Nigerian luxury products. We are like a go-to website where you can have the latest news, the latest trend shaping the global luxury industry.